ये स्क्रिप्चर्स कहते हैं दैट कलयुग इज द टाइम वेयर इट इज the easiest to attain enlightenment. It is the easiest to attain spiritual wisdom. Actually, you can use this particular era to grow spiritually far faster. करने पर भी आपको उसका रिजल्ट कहीं ज्यादा मिलता है इस समय में जो हम कलयुग बोलते हैं. दैट इट इज वी आर एक्चुअली ब्लेस्ड. काफ़ी बार हम ये कहते हैं कि कलयुग है, इसी तरीके से चीज़ें होगी, और वी काइंड ऑफ ब्लेम द एरा फॉर द मिसडीड्स, फॉर द रॉन्ग डूइंग्स एंड फॉर आवर desires, lust, anger, fear, and we say that it is the कलयुग, what do we do? मगर मैं एक ये चीज़ कहना चाहती हूँ कि कलयुग actually you can use this particular era to grow spiritually far faster. किस तरीके से वो किया जाता है और क्यों? जब सतयुग था, when it was Ram's era, or around that time where everybody followed a principle of living, everybody did the right things at the right time and in the right way with the righteous manner, it was far easier because everybody was doing it, right? And तब आपका पुण्य कमाना, तब आपका कर्म करना, तब आपको to really grow spiritually became far more difficult because everyone around you was also doing the righteous thing. So for you to actually cut off your karma and to move forward has been far more difficult. But कलयुग में क्या होता है, आपके आसपास के जितने लोग हैं, या फिर आप जिस संसार में हो, या फिर जिस परिवार में हो, या फिर जहाँ पे आप काम करते हो, व्यवसाय करते हो, वहाँ पे you will find not so righteous people. You will find people who are doing the wrong things. और उस समय when you try to become more righteous, you try and you work your spiritual journey and you work your path forward, because it is difficult in the times that we are in. थोड़ा करने पर भी आपको उसका रिजल्ट कहीं ज़्यादा मिलता है, because it is difficult. It is not easy for you to follow the righteous path. It's not easy for you to speak the truth. It's not easy for you to not be diplomatic. ये सब चीज़ें करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है in this time. And hence इस समय में जो हम कलयुग बोलते हैं, that it is we are actually blessed. Because in this time, if we do even small bits of righteous behavior, internal awarenesses, becoming far more awakened and want to walk on the spiritual path, we will reach the spiritual destination or the awakening or understanding far faster. ये scriptures कहते हैं that Kalyug is the time where it is the easiest to attain enlightenment. It is the easiest to attain spiritual wisdom, but also it is the easiest time to drift away from the right path and go in the wrong directions. And that is why it is difficult in Kalyug, क्योंकि बहुत आसानी से आप गलत रास्ते पे चले जाते हो, बहुत आसानी से आप एक गलत दिशा ले लेते हो. It's very easy to get fooled because there are many people who are wanting to fool.